2024 saw a handful of retired names. In the Atlantic, Beryl, Helene, and Milton were retired and replaced with Brianna, Holly, and Miguel. And in the East Pacific, John was replaced with Jake. In the International West Pacific, Winiar, Jebi, Yagi, Kwazan, Chami, Kongray, Taraji, Usagi, and Mani were retired with new names coming in 2026. Pakistan has decided to retire Agon, Entek, Julian, Christine, Leon, Nika, Ophel, and Pepito and replace them with Amuyao, Edring, Josefa, Kedul, Lakep, Nanalai, Anos, and Puwok. The following names will be used in 2025 to name Pacific hurricanes: Alvin, Barbara, Cosme, Delilah, Eric, Flossie, Gil, Henriette, Evo, Juliet, Kiko, Lorena, Mario, Narda, Octave, Priscilla, Raymond, Sonia, Tico, Velma, Wallace, Zena, York, and Zelda. If this list gets exhausted, a supplementary list approved by the WMO will be used. The following names will be used to name Atlantic hurricanes in 2025: Andrea, Barry, Chantal, Dexter, Aaron, Fernand, Gabrielle, Humberto, Imelda, Jerry, Karen, Lorenzo, Melissa, Nestor, Olga, Pablo, Rebecca, Sebastian, Tanya, Vaughn, and Wendy. And now, here's a list of predictions for the 2025 hurricane season in the Atlantic by major universities and weather agencies.